Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. Um, we got a picture here of a JDF-2. It's a juice machine. I wanted to just go over real quick on how to set the portion control on these units. I had some messages earlier about setting the portion control on these, so I figured I'd just do a quick video on it. The first thing you'll want to do is down here in this drip tray right here, remove this drip tray. There's going to be two screws holding this silver panel in right here, and you'll want to remove those two screws on each side. Pull that panel straight out. It comes right out, pulls right out towards you, and set that to the side. And then there's going to be a switch in the middle here, right underneath the circuit board. And you'll want to go in there and give me 1 second here. You'll want to go in here and then that switch, it's on the bottom right of the inside this behind this panel here. And it's on off switch and it says program. And you want to turn that program switch to on. So turn that switch to on, then go up here. And what you're going to do is you're going to want to go into the program menu. When you turn that switch to on that program switch, up top there's a display screen, and you'll see in that display screen it's going to say PRO for program, and then you want to go down here and press any of these two buttons. You want to press these two buttons at the same time, or it can be the medium and the large at the same time. Either one, it doesn't matter, but it's got to be two at the same time. So you press two of them and hold it, and then that display is going to read um, POR. It's going to change from PRO program to POR to portion control. Okay, so press those two buttons, press and hold. That display will change to portion control, POR. And then what you'll do is you'll get a small cup. It's a 16-ounce cup that they may have. And just get the cup, put it underneath the nozzle, and then go ahead and press that button for the small, and then allow the product to go into the cup up until the highest point, so it's not going to overflow. And then you want to let go of the button. So you press and hold the button until it fills that cup, and then release it once you get to the top level of that cup. And then here you'll do the same thing for the 22 ounce, the medium. You'll get a 22 ounce cup, put it under there, press and hold the medium button until you get to the top of your cup. And then you'll want to leave a little space, by the way, so just keep that in mind. But press and hold that medium button until you get to your desired height in the cup, and then let it go, release it, and then do the same for the large. And depending on which side you're going to do, there's two sides here. One's for lemonade, one's for orange juice. So depending on which side you're going to do, if you're going to do the orange juice side, you do the same exact thing. You hit that program button to on, and then you'll go up here and hit any two keys right here or right here, and you'll press and hold them both at the same time until you see it go into portion control. When you hit the switch down below, it's going to go into program. And then when you press and hold the two keys, it's going to go to portion control. And then you can go ahead and set your cups to the right size, just like you did on this side. So each side is separate. Okay, so that's how you set the portion control. I hope that helps some. And if you have any more questions or desire any more information on that, just shoot me an email at info@learnatrade.online. And don't forget to check us out on our website at learnatrade.online, www.learnatrade.online. All right, thank you. Take care. God bless. Hello everyone, I invite you to enter our Black & Decker electric screwdriver raffle. Go to our link below or in the description to enter. This is a 4-volt max electric screwdriver. It features a pivoting handle, an LED, a lithium battery that holds a charge up to 18 hours. It includes a USB charger, so enter today. Just click the link in the description or go to the link below. Thank you.